post-blizzard. This is Mike Donato, cart pushing king of Thornwood, New York. ShopRite, Thornwood, New York. This is what I did yesterday. This is my sidewalk. Had to clear the sidewalk. I had to go 9 times with between the snow blower and the shoveling. I did both. The combination of both with the snow blower and the shovel. These are my steps. I can't afford to call somebody to do my driveway, so I do it myself. It was nothing but hard work. As you see, most of this, about 99%, 98% of the snow is cleared. Can't be perfect, that's why it's not all cleared. I left that because I can't be perfect. Do the best I can. Show my driveway and my sidewalk, and this is hard work. It was all day and all night affair. Between the snow blower and shovel. There's a sidewalk. Second sidewalk. Got 2 sidewalks. One over there. One over there I just showed you. We're going up, pound of queen, ba-da, ba. We're going up, pound of queen. We're going up, Golden Hunter, I can't sing that. It's a hard song to sing, yeah. If I didn't show, this is what my side would look like with piles of snow. I gave you a clear warning. Do not wait till the snow stops to shovel your driveway, or should break your back. Most people didn't heed my warning. They ended up breaking their back and shoveling when the snow stopped. You have to go at least. I can't believe it went 9 times. Almost reached double figures between the snowblower and shovel. 98% of snow is clear. Nobody's perfect. That's why not all the snow is clear, but I did the best I can. I'll leave the snow. I'll let it melt. As you can see, I put salt too. But by the time now, I ran out of salt. Put the snow again on Sunday, so I wish you luck. So get up early. Get your snowblower ready. Get your shovels ready. Come prepared for the blizzard. The blizzard won't wait for you.